How to download Walmart application on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to download Walmart app on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Play Store application on your mobile device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Proceed by tapping on the search icon at bottom right and tap the search bar at top of the screen. Now type in Walmart app and use the search icon at bottom right next to your keypad. Then you will land on this section. At the top, it has been shown that this application is not currently available on my Google Play on my region, but if it is available on your region, you will see the install button. Simply tap on install and depending on your internet connection and storage you have on your device, it will take a few minutes to download. Once it is downloaded and installed, it will appear on your home screen where you can easily tap on it and then launch Walmart application. And that's all for today. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.